Hey guys, it's me Azza, back on Essentially, and today I'm going to be shooting a video on Harley Quinn's mask. Well, it's not really a mask, it's just her face, but I'm going to be turning it into a mask. And this idea was inspired because of my last craft, where I managed to make this Harley Quinn's hammer, which looks really cool, and I'm in love with it. So yeah, I kind of want to make something that goes alongside it. And what better thing to do than a mask? Since I've done many Joker masks, I thought I'd do Harley Quinn mask. So this one's going to be a quick one, but I've never made a woman's mask of a woman's face, so this is going to be a new experience. Now we're gonna start off with a folded A4, and we'll cut it in half. Just the face. I'm not gonna worry about the hair. Alright, this one's a bit smaller than my face size, but for a female I think this would fit perfectly. Now we do want a sort of a jawline, because I'm using Margot Robbie's, I'm sorry, I butchered that. Margot Robbie's face as the reference. So first things first, we gotta make the structure, which is sort of like that, and then it slides up like this, just like that. So face that wide. Okay, so let's cut that first and foremost. So I do have a basic rough idea. We want the nose to be this big. And then we'd want the lips to be somewhere around there. And the eyebrows, just like that. And below it we'll have our eyes. Which we'll cut out ourselves. Alright, I think we should start with the designs now. I'm going to cut the nose and the eyes out, and I'll see when that's done. Alright, so here's the face cut out. Now I think we're ready to paint. Let's do this real quick without any mistakes. First things first, let's add the eye. I don't know what that makeup is even called, but it's the blush above the eyes. The blush above the eyes. Something like this. Let's do white. Alright, kind of need some more blue in there. Then I'll use my fingers to make it look like it's been wiped off. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Alright, here's one color. Alright, now for the dark lips, the full red lips. This is going to be a bit tough. Maybe I should use the other. This one to be, the lower lip to be lighter. It's not working. Yep, something like this. That will function as our lower half of the mask. I'll finish some designing and I'll put the nose in and I'll see how it looks after that. Actually, before that I decided to color the eyelashes. It's going to be a dark red tone. Alright, so I've got this nose looking piece cut out, and which I'm going to stick on the mask from behind so none of the tape remains visible. Female mask, some structure like some shapes by giving it some folds, such as this one right there. That's one fold. Now, okay, that's too much of a fold. I'll need to redo that. Yeah, so I'll do some folds like such. Alright, it ended up looking like this, and yeah, I regret making the chin male faces. Obviously it's gonna look a bit more structurally male-like, but I guess at the end of the day this is fine. So that's it for my Harley Quinn mask. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next video, and share my videos. Okay, just gotta finish this up real quick. Forgot to give it the eyelashes. Yep. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.